4 practical affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing is a great way to add an income stream to your bottom line. However, it takes more than just choosing an affiliate and selling. Not every person who chooses to become an affiliate program does well. So, the more you learn, the more likely you are to be successful. In this lecture, I will tell you 4 practical affiliate marketing tips that are a great place to start with. First one is email marketing. You may not yet be aware of this, but your key to increase streaming and making good money is in your list. Then again, you may already know this. Your email marketing list should always be growing. The best way to do this is to have an opt-in form on your site or blog. Bait people to sign up, that is, offer them a free ebook, a webinar, a monthly newsletter, things like that. Make them want to give you their email addresses. As you grow your list, you will have more potential customers at your fingertips, and these customers are already targeted. Don't, however, make the mistake of overwhelming your subscribers with products that you are selling. You need to minimize this and build trust. Occasionally throwing out there a product they can buy. The second thing is build a tools page. This is a special page that you built where you list all of the tools you use. In other words, all the products or services you sell. This makes it easy for your customers and visitors to quickly see at a glance what you have available, but without it appearing to be a shopping page. You will list the item with a link and then a brief review about what it does. Then the third thing is add a bonus. If you really want to draw your potential customers in, offer them your affiliate item and then offer them something special from you after they complete the purchase. It might be a discount, a free ebook, money off their next purchase, things like that. And don't be afraid to think outside the box. Many affiliate products have a nice commission payout, so that gives you plenty of wiggle room to come up with something that will please your customers and work for you. And then lastly, take advantage of banners. Make use of banners on your website or blog. Place them in the footer, above the header, in the sidebar, or in your content. Affiliate products almost always have at least a couple of banner ads you can choose from to promote the product. Banners get the highest click through rate of all ads, so keep this in mind. There you have it, the 4 practical affiliate marketing tips you can really benefit from.